Hello?
Connie, are you still at Steven Universe's house? I'm on my way.
Dad, no! You know how bad you are at driving in the snow. It's way too rough out here.
I'm almost at Beach City, so start putting on your shoes.
I see some headlights. Is that him?
Don't worry, I got it this time. Oh, wait.
Dad, stop the car! You're right in front of us!
I got it. I got it. I don't got it. I don't have anything.
Whoa, sorry, Steven. Are you okay?
Connie, what's going on? Everything keeps repeating.
Hey, come on, kids. We gotta get going if we're gonna beat the storm. I'll start the van. Carabiner! Carabiner! Hey, what the? My keys! I'm not gonna find those till spring!
Come on, Connie.
What?
Hey!
Let's go back to my place.
But my parents!
No, Connie, you have to listen to me. If we leave Beach City, bad things are gonna happen. I've seen it. Bad things. Several bad things.
Okay. Let me just call my mom and tell her. Mom, this is Connie. I'm staying at Steven's overnight.
Oh, no, you're not, young
But,
lady. You're
Mom!
coming home right now.
Dr. Maheshwaran, you can't let your husband leave the house. He can't drive in the snow.
What? Yes, I can.
Please, trust me.
What?
Hey!
Hold it steady. We have to send this to the Galaxy Warp without warping ourselves.
This is too risky.
No, it's not. Get over it.
If the shooting star goes off mid-warp, it could explode forever in warp space. And even if we do manage to destroy the entire galaxy warp, they could still find another way to get here.
What you doing?
Steven?
Pearl, no!
What? Garnet, what happened?
I passed my ability to you for just a moment.
You mean I had future visions?
Tell me what you saw.
I saw some good things, but mostly bad things.
And now you can make the right choice.
Connie, we have to go right this instant.
Would you look at this? An entire inch of snow!
Dad, there's no time. We gotta go now.
What?
Connie. Oh, thank goodness you're safe.
Nice sweatshirt, Greg.
Oh, thanks.
Well, we better get going. Bye, Connie. Sorry we can't stay and watch the snow.
Yeah.
It's starting to get pretty bad out there. I don't know if you universes should be driving in this weather.
Why don't you both stay here tonight?
Really?
Wow, Mom. That's really cool.
It's just safer that way. We Maheshwarans are all about safety.
I'll make up the couch.
A couch? Ooh la la! Chateau Maheshwaran!